Yep, just a second.
Everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
In previous class, I haven't teach you about emitters, so today I will teach you about emitters. Let me turn off my video first. Okay. 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 From focal distance, we will add emitter. Okay. Let's see properties. Let me add material first. We will be using chat material. I'll check this. Okay. And this is birth rate to increase the emitters. Hundreds. 100 are generating at a one time. Okay, if you want to stay at angle like 100, the direction will be changed. Okay, let's say 250. You can see the direction of emitters is changing. If I want to send some Z angle, Z angle, it's going in Z angle 50. You can see emitter is going everywhere. Uh, in here, you can also add shape like plane if you want plane material. You want to add your own material. You will be using plane and there's cube. Cube. It's like a 3D cube. Sphere. You can see. Wait, let me add some color. Color. Color for roughness, like light shading type. Okay. This is my 3D sphere. You can also this is speed. You can slow down the speed like this, and this is speed if you want go to more upper direction. Let me add 0.4. I add 1. It will go in every direction and it will end in 1 second. This is 1 second and 0.5 seconds. Okay. Lifespan means how much you want to see the meter, like something lifespan. The lifespan is ending in 1 second. If you use 0.1 second, it will finish at start. Let's do 0.5 second. If you want to rotate the of 3D sphere, cannot check in 3D sphere. So let's do the angle velocity. Let's change 50. Too fast. Let me change the speed. You can also change the scale from this 0.1, and that is too large. And 0. You can see the 3D scale. You can change the angle however you like to. Wait, let me add some texture on this. I'm using pen now. Let me add some texture. Mm, This is smoke texture. So I will be using this texture of smoke. Like this is smoke texture. Let me add the center. Let's just blend mode to add and change this. And you can get the smoke texture. Can you repeat the smoke effect? Uh, I just started the smoke texture. Wait, uh, let me delete this. And this is smoke texture, like a PNG file, smoke PNG file. You can get this from Google, so there won't be issue. If if you want smoke texture, I will give you the PNG file. Okay, let's add particle system. In here, I like to add material. I like to add a smoke texture material. So I will choose the flat material and add texture of smoke texture. Then uncheck the advanced render option. Then I will go to this and say one. This is scale 1. I'm going to blend mode. Then opacity value from, let's say, 4. I'll change my scale text scale value. Let's say 0.5. Uh, use spray angle 150. You can see smoke is coming down. Uh, let's change the birth rate to 50. You can change the opacity value here and do something here. Speed value. You can see here value is changing here. One, it will go more. downward direction. Okay, we don't need spin. If I want to spin the one, then let me check. Okay, you can see the meter is spinning now. Mm, 180 direction. Meter is moving. You can see smoke is also moving. Um, to use force acceleration and use this and 0.1. Nothing happened. Going upward direction. Nothing happened. Okay, let me scale it down. This is my smoke texture. There are 4 types of emitter. Point from generating one from one point, and there is a line. Line here. Get it down more. 5. Okay. Now, uh, line will be in X direction like this. 0.5. You can also see here on the meter is increased in line. You can increase the line. You can see how it is generating. Suppose if you want in circle, you will be using the ring shape. Suppose radius value 0.2 and 0.5. More 3D. You can see it's generating in like this. Let me increase the radius size. You can 0.5. You can see it is generating in circle. Everyone can see in viewport. Let's increase the speed 0.5 and birth rate 100. You can see this is generating in circle. Okay. If I want to close the circle, it is generating in the radius of 0.2 and 0.5. Okay, let's talk about the plane. And this is plane. Okay. Change the size from here. This is your smoke. Let's 0.4. I want to change the color. I can change. Okay, let's make a brown dust. Alpha value. Let me increase the size of 5 The emitter is also increasing. And change the scale here also 0. You can see how emitter is working. Let's add value. Add is we use add for light values, and you can also use multiply to let's use alpha. Alpha give us color 0.4. Okay. Suppose you want use the dust in your background, so we'll be using canvas and rectangle. Let's increase this. I'm dropping camera structure and person segmentation. I will apply on material. Let's use flat camera texture, alpha value, and person segmentation. You can see the smoke is coming from my behind. You know. Everyone understand the emitter? Just tell me. Hello. Okay. So let's move on to audio reactivity. Everyone has a audio reactivity project, right? Which I gave it today. Okay. You can open that project in your PC and listen to my voice. Okay. First, I will tell you wait, how to convert your audio. So you will be adding in Spark here. Okay. Let me go to Google. I click online audio converter. I will be providing you this link in chat. Save it for future. Uh, Puneet, hello, hello, hello. Everyone can listen me, right? Please reply on chat box. Okay. My message is not going. Let me send on WhatsApp. Okay. Link. I send the link in WhatsApp group. Just check that. Okay. Now come. Now please watch this closely. I'm gonna add MP3 music here. Music. This is MP3 file. I'm gonna convert this in .m4a. Standard size will be 128 kbps. I will go to the advanced settings, and then channel would be one, which is mono. And sample rate should be 44, and this should be 128 kbps. I will be using fade in, so it's like a volume. When you listen, the audio will be fade in, then fade out. Okay, let's convert this MP3 file. Let me download. Showing folder. Okay. I should bring first one. No, that's not. Let's drag and drop here. Let me move this. Delete. Delete. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Also, uncheck your Facebook because Facebook don't support some audio elements. Let's open patch editor. We will be adding audio here. Uh, Click on audio, then click here, add multi-clip patches. This will generate here. Here comes your audio also. I will be using audio analyzer. Audio analyzer. You can see this is audio output. Okay, that's the tag. I type the audio in patch. Let's start with something like, let me add 3D object. I added this 3D material. The audio analyzer is like a frequency band. Uh, Check this here. Box. Or this is audio analyzer. Band 1 frequency range is giving us 0 to 400 hazard frequency second 4 to 900. I will show you what this value is doing right now. Let's add pack. Uh, this is on first pack X value, on second Y value, then Z value. Then attach it to the scale. We will be using screen tab. Screen step. And whenever you use the audio, remember to disable your mic. Then use simulate touch. You can see the value. It's changing. You can also increase the value of spear. And this is how you use the audio reactivity. Okay. Suppose I want to use the plane. Let's add canvas and some rectangle. This is my rectangle. Let's change to width 14. What to do? Yeah. Duplicate. Let's display this value to 12. Wait, let me add material first. There is material. Now duplicate this. This rectangle. Okay. Paste the value to 10. Oops, sorry, it's width 14. It will be, let's say, 80. And one more duplicate the rectangle. Okay. This is your rectangle. Then we have only x and y value on rectangle. Then that would be this, and we will be deleting this. Okay. Scale value, attach it to the scale. Next, scale, copy and paste. Okay. Let's add one. Let's check this. I'm gonna turn the audio on. Touch. You can see. If you don't want the if you don't want to use the audio, you can also attach the microphone here. And turn on the microphone. Live microphone. Hello. You can see the value. There. Second. Third. Second is not. Oh, sorry. Back value. You can check the value. It's like a volumetric. Everyone understand this? Please reply. Share audio. You want the audio? Okay, wait. Mm, okay. Audio will be in WhatsApp group. You can also trim this and convert with your own. I send the audio in WhatsApp group. Please check there. This is audio project. Okay, let's create one more project. Let's delete this. Please trim the audio because there will be a size issue in your project. So use under around 1 MB or 500 KB. Mm, Let's close this. Okay. Suppose I want to create a filter like sphere is revolving around my head. So I will be making that project. Let's add this mesh. I will delete this. Don't need face mesh. Face mesh. Let's add. Okay. Everyone has a face reference set. So please, if you don't have, download in WhatsApp group. I already sent there. Mm, Let's drop head occluder here and then face tracker. You can see it is tracking my face. This is 3D project. Change flat value and change it to opacity 0. We don't need opacity of head uploader. Then I will be using null object. In null object, I will be dropping this sphere. Okay. Suppose let's position this first. By dropping face tracker, you can drop like this, or you can drop patch like this and create a patch of, let's say, producer patch. This is your producer patch. Let's say I want forehead on my forehead. Then I will be using forehead. Then add value because I want to add my own values here. Let's say vector 3 or XYZ direction. We open the chat. Please let me know if you don't understand any part. This is your 3D sphere. Let's simulate object. Go to 3D. The null object is here. I want on my forehead. So I will be changing this value minus 0.1. So okay. Let me add sphere. Sphere. Okay, it's in my side. Let's increase the value of sphere. Let's go 0.1. Let's increase more 0.2. 1.5. Okay. Go to action and animate to spin. Okay. This one to spin. Let's call animate spin. You can see 3D object is moving. Let's copy more. Spin is too fast. 5. Position will be same. You can see sphere is moving. If you want to also rotate, let me add some texture. Full to add yourself. This is your shiny object. You can create this. Okay, let's add more sphere. Position. Okay, I'm also changing the sphere position 0.2. Point 5. So 0.01. Minus 0.1. You can see it's rotating around my head. And you can also increase this value. I want this value like in minus 0.1. Yes. Move it more back. 0.2. 1.5 will be fine. Yes. This is how you create a object around your head. You can use anything. Uh, the head occluder is helping us to remove so user can see behind what is going on behind. So, and you can also increase the size of occluder here. Supposed to, let's see, they are not visible this side. Okay, so you understand how to use this. Please reply. You scale the head occluder, not scale. Yes, I increase the head occluder so it will look more realistic. Let's go. Suppose this is one value. Uh, you can see it. This sphere is ending here. If you increase the size of occluder like 1.2 or 1.2, 1.2, it will end now here. And did you understand? Oh, okay. This is your 3D project. Okay, now work with some interaction. Suppose, let's say, okay. Let me show you how to create an animation project. Hmm, let's delete this. Let's say a new project. Let me close the previous one to start. Okay. I'm gonna import some PNG sequence file. Um, should I teach you how to make GIF to PNG sequence? That will be in next class also. If only one guy wants to learn, then I will teach you in next class. So no one is replying. Okay, let me teach you how to add animation here. Suppose let's I want animation sequence in PNG sequence. Okay, so new texture. This is my PNG sequence. Control A. Let's add plane. Go to flat, then add animation sequence here. And you can see there is a black value. You can remove that value by changing blend mode to add. Okay, let me show you one more cool trick. Okay, let's go to AR library. There is one patch called person. Let me go to the patch asset. Wait, I have it in recent file. And there is a patch called screen to focal plane. I will show you how to get from library also. Screen. This is the patch screen to focal plane. You can import it from here. Import this. Downloading done. That's it. Where is the patch? Just drag and drop. Wait, let me restart my project and save this. It's called shockwave. Close and recent file. Shockwave. Okay, this is increase the size of plane. 3. We don't need Z value on plane. Let's say screen tab for the patch first. This is my screen position. Let's say 2D position on screen. Then let's drop the device on patch editor. You will see this is for object value. I will show you in render pass. This is screen size. Let's say you can see here this is screen size. Let's attach this to the screen size. This is our screen size, and this is our position. Then attach the position here. Like simulate touch. You can use it like this. Okay. Now add animation here. I want to play with screen tap and reverse it with also with screen tap, and I want frame transition. You can check here in Shockwave I have 73 frames, and then I will type here 74, then attach it to the this one. No, attach it to the current frame. Now check this out. Wherever I touch, it's not working. Tap play. Okay. This screen tab should be in reset. Uh, Wherever you type, you can see the animation. It's like a magic circle. I used it in my recent project in Halloween. Okay, this is how we import animation, and you can use it with the screen tab also. And if you want animation in your background, let me show you how to do that. Delete this, and I don't need this right now. Let's add canvas, add rectangle, drop camera texture and person segmentation. Material, different material. Camera texture, person segmentation. Sir, patch editor is not visible in my project. Is there any shortcut? Yes, go to view and control alt. You can also click control alt P, and you can click here, show patch editor or patch editor. Okay, let's add one more rectangle for our animation. This is my animation. I want this in my backside. So it's working in back. Okay, let's increase. Its size is already increased. You can see here. You can change the color of the animation also. This. Now you got this. How to add animation sequence. Okay, let's move to picker UI and slider UI. Oh, wait. Let me show you some cool trick. Let's add face tracker. Face mesh. Plane. Let's move to 0.1. Can you show how to change an object position from foreground to background again, please? Okay, wait. Let's hide this. Suppose this is our canvas. I will be adding rectangle first, then increase the rectangle width and height, add material. This is our animation. Then after animation, what I want is to move animation at my backside. So I will be adding one more rectangle. So duplicate this and Material 2. Material 2 is in Material 2 there is a camera, texture and person segmentation which we use for our background. You can see this. If you This is value. Uh, if you want texture only in person segmentation, then you can use this. You can see. Let me show you with the color. And this is how you can change the background color. And this is how you can change the person segmentation color. I also did this in first class. So now you understand this, how to do it, right? Okay. Now let's move this. Show my, I haven't added anything, so let's drop this tracker. I have let's add face. Yeah, the chat box here. Okay, this is our face interaction. Like if you blink, how you like to see the plane. Wait, let me add material first. Where is my plane? Why it's not working? Mm, what is happening? Let's add plane again. Plane is material. It's not showing anything. Let me delete the material first. Plane is also not working. I don't know what is happening. Let me restart. Create a new project. This spark. So much. Let's cut this. Okay. Suppose let's add plane here. This is my plane. Flat value red and to 0.1. Control D. Control D. Duplicate this and create new one. And now this value should be 0.5 and change color to, let's say, yellow. Yeah, we will be using patch editor here. Let's add this tracker. Drop this. Okay. I will be using interaction here. Paste interaction. Let's say head node. Head node, head shake, mouth open, meditation. Let's say, let's go with first blink. Now attach the value in blink. Switch to on and off. Like if I blink, you can see blink to on, blink to off. You can see how to use interactions with this. Let's say I want put interaction head node. How many elements? This one. Lean right, lean left. If I lean left, left unsteered, right unsteered, left lean, right lean. Copy same. Okay, this is working. This is not. Refresh. Okay. Turn right. My neck will broke. Okay. This is my right. This is my left. Okay. Can also turn off with this interaction right, left, right, left. This is my interaction. Okay. Because if you want to use not have a head shake. Mhm. You can try add this at your home. I don't want to do this every time. So everyone understand how to use interactions. Okay. This was the part of your interactions. Let's finish. Okay. What is left? Let me check. Oh, slide view and picker view. Let's start that. Wait, let me take a break first. Okay, let's go. So everyone is available here, right? Let's use speaker UI first. This is my speaker UI. Okay, let me add some icons. Uh, documents. Mm, Let's try this. That's just 3 MB. This one. Compression to none. All of them. None. Okay. And suppose let's click on texture 1 and texture 2. Click to visible 3. These are my buttons. You can see how to use this. Speaker UI. Okay, let's suppose go to canvas and rectangle, moving camera texture, first segmentation, that's material, camera texture, oops, high filter width, flat, camera texture, segmentation. Mm, mm, okay. Let me add one more rectangle here and move it to the up. Color. Oops. Color. We will be changing this color here. Let's add this material. I will be using option picker. Suppose let's say that I'm using option select option index value. Okay, let's say exactly equals option picker, and also use texture here. Right. Let me. How many inputs? Okay, let's increase to a 6. Okay. Option index value should be attached to the option. Output this. Yes. I want to use some texture. then I will be using this. Let's see if I can add color value, color. Okay, I'm going to use this one here. Let's see. Let's add this one to this here. See, you can see texture value is changing. This is how you can use the picker UI. Okay, suppose if you don't like to use okay, suppose if you want to use it with the uh, like turning on visibility on and off, then you will be using like exactly because exactly right. Index value should be 0 to 0, right? This, then copy, control V, then this will be our index value 1. Suppose let's say our index value is 0, then this is our wait, let's check the value. Right now my value is 1. If I put this text visibility on 1, right now my value is 1. If I move back to 1, there will be nothing in my backside. If I move to 1, I can also use this like how to change your background with the visibility. Okay, let's move on to the slider UI. How to use slider UI. Okay. Hmm. Let's add slider UI. Slider UI. And please remember to turn off your noise spotting on Facebook also. I don't know. Okay, let's turn on the visibility to multiply. Multiply is like how many uh, textures or how many. Okay, let's say how many textures or colors you have. Then we will be using option picker and attach it to the option picker. Let's say color uh, orange, orange, green, yellow, and red. And please remember, uh, how many? I have 5 inputs. Then you will be adding here 6. Okay. Start value should be 0. Uh, then I will attach it to the material texture here. Okay. My first value is orange. If I change start value to 1, it's black. Uh, it's black. Same is second value, second. Um, okay, now it's working. Three red, four is black. Okay. Uh, Let me send the link to you. You will see. Uh, this is how you can change and the color. If you are using color LUT, you can change whole background or your whole canvas color with this slide UI. Uh, Puneet, hello Puneet. Puneet is not replying. Okay. Right. I'm gonna send the link on WhatsApp group. Please check there. You can check there and let me know it's working or not. And there will be a one slider in your right side. Click up and down. Slide up and down and check it's working properly or not. And let me know. Please reply fast. And cut color, it recognize only face and cuts color. Oh, next time around. Wait, let me check also. Oh, wait, I forgot the value to start value should be 0 and the input should be, let's say, 5 now. Uh, I'm creating link again. I forgot to change the value. So I'm sending it again. I don't know my network, getting network error. My live is working fine, right? Okay. This is okay. I'm gonna tell you. The slider value should be 0 and multiply in if you have inputs inputs 5, then put in multiply 5, or in case if you don't get the last value, then put it to the 6. uh, and this is how you use the slider UI. mm, so okay, so everyone understand what I teach you all today. mm, Please reply. Repeat slider UI. Oh, I was saying uh, the today I taught you wait. Everyone know how to use camera patch, right? Mm, This is my camera patch. Okay, this is for front camera. This is uh, this is front camera activity, back camera activity. Photo captured. If you want to trigger something animation, we will be using photo capture. Suppose if you have some audio, wait, let me add the audio again. Download streams. Mm, Let me add playback controller, audio playback controller, and this is my audio. Okay, play and in loop. Uh, Suppose you open the Instagram and you open this effect. If you also want uh, when the user click on record, you don't want the recording to when effect is open, and you don't want to start like that because you want the restart the music from fresh, then you will be using a video recording. When you click on video record, it will the your volume will be start again. And let's say let's add speaker. uh, in here you can see audio, and also with slider UI also you can control and the volume. Let's suppose this is my volume 2, or let's suppose 100. You can increase your volume with slider UI. uh, Let me check it's working or not. Putting my value to 0 to close to 12. Okay. And this is how you can control your volume. And in audio, please and there will be a audio playback controller, which is this one, and then add this in our speaker patch. Then let me delete this. You can see there will be wait. there will be a button for record in Instagram. When you press that, the audio will be reset and start it again. This is how you use the camera patch, and there is more option in camera patch. uh, you can try it on your own, so everyone understand how to use camera patch and audio. Please reply, everyone understand this. Okay, let's move this. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today class, and I also want to announce something. Wait. Okay. Uh, okay, okay. So there will be a one announcement. Whoever like say whoever make cool effects and showing daily assignments will get hoodie and one certificate. So please create good effects, and also please be active in my class, and please sure to I will be giving you assignment for today class also, and please make the good filters, so you will be selected for the hoodie or some and certificate. And this is announced latestly announced by our upper department. And also prepare for the Diwali hackathon. Uh, there will be a three challenges, and winner will get $100, which is huge amount. And let me call the Puneet. Yes, $1,000. It will be around 75. Yes, and there will be a three winners. Uh, in rupees, like 75,000. It's up to you guys. Only mention like this will be us who will be like if I like this project. So let's suppose you create a project and uh, you didn't get selected for top three, then I can also mention you. I can mention your project, so you will get $100 for mentioning the project. So there's so much chance, so don't waste. And also if you make some cool effects, more client will reach out to you, and they will ask you to make a project for me, and that will be your opportunity uh, to learn also and also to earn. Okay. Let me call Puneet. Hello, Punisa is uh, I'm I'm Maninder. Uh, yeah, video. Yeah, you can stop the video now. It's over, and the today class is done. Yeah. Okay, okay. And for every week, suppose you make the cool effect. Uh, so you will get the hoodie, which like say any one of you like Gunjan, Soumya, uh, any of you made the good project for the filter, you will get the uh, hoodie for Spark Air from Spark Air and one certificate by me. So please create good project and also share your project on Facebook group which everyone